Welcome, everyone. Today we're going to take a look at the travel industry's financial hotspots, and my name is Joni Ogg. And we're going to talk about how agents are thriving, yes, thriving in 2026, exploring where the real money is being made in travel, and why, despite all the talk of automation, technology is turning out to be a secret weapon for advisors, not a replacement. So let's dive into how smart travel professionals are making both money and miles work for them. Travel agents are not a thing of the past. This isn't a Blockbuster situation, far from it. The advisors who focus, adapt, and really dig into a niche are thriving. Think back to that budget online booking, nobody to call when you need help the most. And the digital revolution didn't wipe out travel agents, it just cleared the field. The best agents bring something technology cannot. That's real judgment, deep relationships, and true expertise. When everything shut down during COVID, travelers quickly realized just how much it mattered to have a real human help them. And that experience turned casual bookers into lifelong loyal clients. And now, demand for skilled advisors has never been higher. Technology makes it possible to specialize, to market yourself globally, and to work from anywhere. Booking travel isn't just about securing a seat, it's about creating memorable experiences. When clients experience the difference, they rarely go back to do-it-yourself or algorithms. Agents earn their keep by connecting travelers with amazing experiences, not just products. No limits on earnings. The more you put in, the more you're going to be rewarded. Specialization and effort are truly what do drive income here. A six-figure income is completely within reach for those who take this as a real business. And let's not forget, part of the work means experiencing those breathtaking destinations firsthand. It's a career where your job perks actually include travel stories worth sharing. Here's where the big commissions are hiding. Luxury, river, and expedition cruises bring in serious income for agents. Tour operator packages offer commissions that climb even higher, especially with some operators. And all-inclusives mean commissions pile up on every element, plus override bonuses. Destination weddings and honeymoons, now those are negotiable and can be extremely lucrative. Self-packaged group travel lets you earn more for curating the entire experience. And sustainable and eco travel is now both in great demand, but it's also highly profitable. And solo or women-only travel, it's the fastest growing with commissions up to 25%. Cruises are still the gold standard for agent commissions. Base rates already start strong, but volume bonuses make things even better for you. Luxury, river, and expedition cruises take the top prize for both price and potential. And the more complex the booking, the more clients need a true expert on their side. And this is where advisors deliver real value. The robots can't match experience or service. So let's talk about all-inclusives. These are serious commission powerhouses. Agents earn on everything from rooms to spa treatments, the whole package. And many properties offer even better deals through tour operators, so the potential income could even go up. Now, destination weddings, these aren't just one-time bookings. Couples are spending $25,000 to $80,000 on average for their big day, if not more. And then you have all those guests who need rooms, flights, activities. That's volume business. And it really doesn't stop at the wedding. Think anniversary trips, referrals, more events down the road. One great wedding client can end up bringing you years of business. And every guest at that reception is a potential new client. You can see how powerful word of mouth is in this particular space. Everyone seems to be rebranding with .ai domains. It's the travel world's version of labeling everything boutique. Even if there isn't much actual AI, that suffix screams sophistication right now. But here's what really matters. AI tools have totally changed the game for solo advisors. AI-driven CRMs, automated follow-ups, even drafting itineraries, all at your fingertips. And one advisor can now do the work that used to need an entire team. Automation handles the busy work, but the truly important calls, those middle-of-the-night emergencies, still need you, the human touch. And sometimes being caffeinated is just as important as being connected. And sustainable travel isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's a major revenue stream. Gen Z and millennials expect sustainability as a standard, not a bonus perk. Building true expertise in eco-friendly properties and low-impact itineraries can really pay off for you. There's real loyalty from clients who share these values. It's not just a trend. And with commissions running up to 20%, the financial upside is real. And let's face it, the bragging rights for doing good doesn't hurt either. Remote work is here to stay, and it's completely changed how and where people can work. More professionals are blending travel and business as workations, and they become routine. Countries like Barbados, Bali, and Portugal have seized on this trend with dedicated digital nomad visas. Hotels aren't just about a bed anymore, they're all about good Wi-Fi and friendly workspaces. These trips mean longer bookings with much higher value per client. Multi-stop, multi-country itineraries, they require real insider knowledge to coordinate smoothly. And guiding clients through the maze of nomad visas and tricky paperwork is a valuable service in itself. Agents earn steady, double-digit commissions on these high-value extended stays. Solo and women-only travel has exploded into one of the most dynamic growth areas in the travel industry. This is a truly massive, underserved audience. Women want safety, community, and thoughtful planning. And commissions can reach up to 25%. And the best part is the incredible word of mouth that these groups generate. But this niche really demands skills. A safety-first approach is absolutely paramount. Curating group dynamics isn't just about logistics anymore. It's about building a sense of belonging for every traveler. And recurring trips and loyal repeat customers turn into long-term business. And happy travelers mean high referral rates. This market loves to share great experiences with friends. And if you're not serving this particular space, rest assured there are others who are, and they're doing very, very well at it. Focus on building deep relationships with high-value clients instead of chasing endless bookings. A handful of premium travelers can bring in more revenue and fewer headaches than chasing every single lead. And specializing in a niche and investing in certifications creates a reputation that no competitor can easily copy. Supplier partnerships aren't just about rates. They give you access and service that no online booking engine will ever match. Leverage your AI to handle routine tasks so that you can spend more time actually building trust and delivering unique value. The smartest advisors are using saved time from automations to connect more meaningfully with their clients. The next era belongs to advisors who blend genuine expertise with smart technology. That combination is almost impossible for automation to replicate. Clients who experience this level of service rarely want to go back to anything else. No algorithm can match the depth, of human relationships and judgment. AI should enhance your reach, not replace your personal touch. Treat this as a real business, and that six-figure income is absolutely within your reach. And now, if you'll excuse us, there's a river cruise that needs some very serious, very professional research. Thank you for watching this short video. We hope you've enjoyed it. If so, why not give it a like or a share? And if you would like to know when we release future tutorials, just subscribe to our channel.